Hello, so today I'm going to attempt to do a quick tutorial. So basically, before I get into that, for Halloween I want to do like a creepy doll, but I'm quite useless with makeup. I don't really wear it, I don't really know what I'm doing. So I've had a look at a couple of tutorials already, some of which were very complicated and very expensive. So I'm sort of doing like the basic budget version. Because I don't have a lot of money to be spending on like layers and layers and layers of makeup, and I don't know how to use them anyway. So this is my first attempt and it might go really wrong, but bear with me, we'll see how it turns out. So I don't know, I read online that apparently you should moisturise your face before you do makeup, so I'm just gonna do that. And I'm also gonna remove my facial piercings, most of them anyway, because they're just going to get in the way while I'm doing this. So I'm going to do a basic rundown of what I've got with me. So I got this colour correcting thing because, as you can see, I've got quite a bit of redness in my face and I do get quite bad dark circles under my eyes. So I'm going to test this out. I don't actually know what the fuck I'm doing, but I'm going to test it out. I borrowed my sister's bronzing powder, which I'm going to use as sort of contouring along with my MUA highlighter, which I absolutely love, eyeliner, gel eyeliner, which is also MUA, and I've got a Barry M white eyeliner, which I'm going to be using to make the eyes look bigger. Funnily enough, I've got Primark eyebrow kit, because I've actually only got half an eyebrow, if you can see there, so I need to use this even when I'm not doing a full face of makeup, just so that I've actually got eyebrows, because they're not there. So, but yeah, dirt cheap from Primark and it does the job. I actually quite like it. So makeup on a budget. I don't actually own foundation, and I didn't really fancy spending half an hour in Superdrug trying to figure out which one matched my awkward face. So I'm not using it. I'm just going to see how it goes without it, and if I absolutely need it, then I'll go out and buy some tomorrow. I have been told that the green colour correcty thingamajigger is good for redness, so I'm just gonna put it everywhere, I guess. I'm just kind of sticking it everywhere because I do have a tendency to go really, really, really red, especially when I drink, and I am going out this Saturday for the first time in a while, so I want to actually look nice. I mean, as nice as a creepy ass looking doll can look. I don't know if you can really tell, I just look really goddamn pale in the camera. That is the lighting. I'm not quite so ghostly looking in real life. What next? If we start with the white eyeliner, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it along the bottom, make the eye look bigger than it really is. So the next thing I'm going to do is add the black eyeliner to the eye region. So I've gone around and neatened it up a little bit with a wet wipe, and as you can see, filled in the excess white bit. So what's next? Let's move that out of the way. So obviously we want to look like a doll. Before I forget, I'll actually put my mascara on because that would be a bit daft. And then we can start moving on to the doll features. I'm trying not to get them on the bottom lashes because the bottom lashes are at the moment white and I want them to stay that way. Obviously when I do this properly, it's going to look a hell of a lot neater than this. This is literally just the first attempt to see if I can get the basic look. So this is my my sister's bronzer. I've got a bit of a wonky nose, so I'm trying to actually subtly correct it with the way that I put this on. Okay, baby is awake, so I'm gonna try and hurry this up a little bit. Okay, so I've attempted to contour the cheeks a little bit with that. So now, highlighter. The mouthpiece. Pencil eyeliner. So this is the beginning of what's going to be the mouth join. I'm blending it inwards, or trying to anyways, to create a sort of shadow effect. White liner to sort of make that part stand out. I'm going to try this lipstick and see how this works with it. Not bad for a first attempt. And obviously I'm going to refine the process, so when I go out on Saturday, it's going to look good. Alright, so that is the end of my basic budget. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing with makeup, but I'm giving it my best shot. This is the end result. This is probably the worst attempt at a makeup tutorial ever, but it's for people like me who don't know what they're doing with makeup and just want to give it a go anyway and have a bit of a laugh with it. And for someone that's never attempted anything like this before, I don't think it's that bad actually, so yeah.